Emotions are an integral part of the human experience, shaping our thoughts, actions, and, importantly, our decisions. Have you ever made a choice based on how you were feeling at the moment? Perhaps you opted for a piece of chocolate cake after a tough day, or you decided to take a leap of faith and pursue a new job opportunity because you felt excited about it. Emotions play a crucial role in decision-making, often guiding us in ways we may not even realize. So, let's explore how emotions influence our choices and the psychology behind this fascinating interplay. To begin, it's essential to understand that emotions are complex responses to stimuli, encompassing physiological, cognitive, and behavioral components. When we experience an emotion, our body reacts, our heart rate may increase, we might feel butterflies in our stomach, or our palms may become sweaty. These physical responses are often accompanied by thoughts and interpretations that shape how we perceive a situation. This intricate web of emotions and thoughts can significantly impact the decisions we make. One of the key theories in understanding the role of emotions in decision-making is the affective reasoning model. This model suggests that our emotions can serve as a form of information that guides our choices. For instance, when faced with a decision, we may rely on our emotional responses to evaluate the potential outcomes. If something makes us feel happy or excited, we may be more inclined to pursue it. Conversely, if a choice evokes fear or anxiety, we might shy away from it. This emotional feedback can act as a compass, helping us navigate the complexities of decision-making. Consider the classic example of choosing between two job offers. One position may excite you, promising new challenges and opportunities for growth, while the other may feel safe but unfulfilling. Your emotional response to each option can heavily influence your decision. If you feel a sense of passion and enthusiasm for the first job, that positive emotion may push you to take the risk and accept it. On the other hand, if the second job feels comfortable but lacks excitement, your fear of the unknown might hold you back from pursuing something that could ultimately lead to greater satisfaction. Another important concept to explore is the role of emotional intelligence in decision-making. Emotional intelligence refers to the ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's emotions and the emotions of others. Individuals with high emotional intelligence are often better equipped to navigate complex decisions because they can assess their feelings and the feelings of those around them. This awareness allows them to make more informed choices, considering not only their emotions but also the emotional impact their decisions may have on others. For example, imagine a manager faced with the decision to promote an employee. If the manager is attuned to their own emotions and the emotions of the team, they may consider how the promotion could affect workplace dynamics. If they sense that promoting one employee may lead to resentment among others, they might choose to have open discussions to address concerns and foster a supportive environment. This ability to read emotional cues can lead to more thoughtful and balanced decision-making. Let's also consider the concept of emotional biases. While emotions can guide us positively, they can also cloud our judgment and lead to irrational decisions. For instance, when we're feeling particularly stressed or anxious, we may make hasty choices without fully considering the consequences. This phenomenon is often referred to as emotional hijacking, where strong emotions override rational thought. When we're in a heightened emotional state, we may focus more on immediate feelings rather than long-term outcomes, leading to decisions that we might later regret. Think about a situation where someone is feeling overwhelmed and decides to lash out at a colleague. In that moment, their anger clouds their judgment, and they may not consider how their actions could damage relationships or impact their work environment. Once the emotional wave subsides, they may realize that their reaction was disproportionate and unproductive. Recognizing the potential for emotional biases is crucial for effective decision-making, as it allows us to pause and reflect before acting impulsively. The psychology behind emotions and decision-making also highlights the role of context. Our emotions can be influenced by situational factors, such as our environment, social interactions, and even cultural norms. For example, if you're making a decision in a high-pressure environment, such as during a heated discussion or negotiation, your emotions may be heightened, leading to different choices than if you were in a calm, relaxed setting. Understanding the context in which decisions are made can help us navigate our emotions more effectively. Moreover, the impact of emotions on decision-making extends to group dynamics as well. When making decisions in a team setting, emotions can be contagious. If one team member is particularly enthusiastic about a proposal, that positive energy can spread, influencing the group's overall sentiment and decision. Conversely, if someone expresses doubt or negativity, it can dampen enthusiasm and lead to more cautious choices. Being aware of these emotional dynamics can enhance collaboration and lead to more effective decision-making processes. As we explore the role of emotions in decision-making, it's essential to recognize the importance of self-reflection. Taking the time to examine our emotional responses and the motivations behind our choices can lead to greater self-awareness and informed decision-making. Journaling, mindfulness practices, or engaging in open conversations with trusted friends can help us gain clarity about our emotions and how they influence our decisions. Let's also consider the role of positive emotions in decision-making. While negative emotions can lead to impulsive choices, positive emotions can enhance creativity and broaden our perspective. When we feel happy or inspired, we're more likely to think outside the box and consider a wider range of possibilities. This phenomenon is known as the broaden and build theory, which suggests that positive emotions expand our cognitive abilities and promote resilience. In this way, cultivating positive emotions can lead to more innovative and effective decision-making. Furthermore, the concept of regret plays a significant role in how emotions influence our decisions. Regret is a powerful emotion that arises when we feel we could have made a better choice. It can serve as a learning opportunity, prompting us to reflect on our past decisions and adjust our future behavior. However, excessive rumination on regret can lead to paralysis in decision-making, as individuals may become fearful of making the wrong choice again. Finding a balance between learning from regret and moving forward is essential for effective decision-making. As we wrap up our exploration of the role of emotions in decision-making, it's important to recognize that emotions are not inherently good or bad. They are simply part of the human experience. Emotions can guide us, inform our choices, and enrich our lives. By cultivating emotional awareness and understanding how emotions influence our decisions, we can make more thoughtful and intentional choices. In conclusion, the interplay between emotions and decision-making is a complex and fascinating aspect of psychology. Emotions can serve as valuable guides, providing insight into our preferences and motivations. However, they can also cloud our judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. By developing emotional intelligence, practicing self-reflection, and recognizing the impact of context, we can navigate the emotional landscape of decision-making with greater awareness and effectiveness. So, the next time you find yourself faced with a decision, take a moment to check in with your emotions. Consider how they might be influencing your choices and whether you're making decisions based on thoughtful reflection or impulsive reactions. Embracing the role of emotions in decision-making can lead to a deeper understanding of ourselves and ultimately empower us to make choices that align with our values and aspirations. After all, emotions are not just fleeting feelings. They are powerful forces that shape our lives and guide us on our journey.